Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Minal Nerkar, working as Assistant Professor in Computer Department of All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology. Today we are going to see how to place JavaScript code in the HTML file. There are two ways in which we can place the JavaScript code in the HTML file. So first two indicates the internal placement. This is for internal placement. We can place the JavaScript code within the HTML file itself. And this third thing is nothing but the way to add the JavaScript file in the or as an external file. Now we will see these things in details. So as I told you, the first way for placing the JavaScript code as an internal code of the HTML, okay, the first way is what? We can place that JavaScript code within the body tag. Okay. So over here, the requirement is what? JavaScript code, it must be written within the script tag. Okay. And here we have to make ensure that key type mentioned over here is a JavaScript. Okay. What it means? It indicates that the content of the file is JavaScript. Okay. So over here I have mentioned that the text JavaScript is the content type that provides the information to the browser about the data. Okay. So this is how we can add the JavaScript code between the body tag of, this is the body tag, between the body tag of the HTML file. Now the second way for the internal placement is to place the script between the head tag. Okay, so over here, if you observed, this script tag is placed between the head tag. Okay. Now over here we have used in the body, we have written one function, or here one button is there. On click event of that button, we are giving call to the JavaScript function. Okay, so on click event we are giving call to the MSG function. This MSG function is the JavaScript function. Okay, so this will get called. Okay, and this implementation we have written within the head tag. Now the third way is the external file. Okay, so to use JavaScript from an external file source, all the JavaScript source code, it must be written in the text file with the extension .js. So make sure that the extension of the file is .js, and then include that .js file in the HTML. So over here we have written this JS file. Okay, this is our JS file. In that JS file we have written the JavaScript code. Okay, and one more thing, here we have not used the script tag. Okay, now this function JavaScript code we have called from this HTML page. So here we have to mention the source of that JavaScript file. So in the script tag we have mentioned the type is the JavaScript type, and it is referring this message.js file. So in the source you have to mention the path of the JavaScript file. As if you are placing the JavaScript file in the same folder as that of your HTML file, so in that particular case you need to simply mention the name of the file. Otherwise If the location of the JavaScript file is different from that of the HTML file, here you have to mention the entire path of the JavaScript file. Okay. Now, you can add multiple JavaScript file in the same HTML file. Okay. Now, placing scripts in external file is more advantageous than that of in the internal file. So the first advantage is what? Ki separation of HTML and JavaScript code. It makes easier to read and maintain the code. Second advantage is it also provides code reusability. This means what? Ki the same JavaScript file we can include in multiple HTML files. Okay. So these are the advantages. Thank you.